Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video. I'm Sandeep and you're watching Rev Atlas. We have spent some time with the Amazon Echo Show 8 for a while now, and here are 5 ways that we feel it improves your day and how you can use it to your benefit as well. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and now let's get this video started. The Echo Show 8 comes with an 8-inch HD screen which you can use to stream the latest movies and TV shows on Prime Video and any of the other supported services such as YouTube. Alexa, open Choo Choo TV.
Okay, here's Choo Choo TV.
Say the name of a song or choose a category like nursery rhymes, stories, color songs, animal songs, Gita play by category, or simply say play all.
Johnny Johnny Yes Papa.
Playing.
Alexa, set the volume to 5. Alexa, let's play Akinator.
Hi, I'm Akinator. I can read your mind. Think of a character. I will try to guess it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Well,
Yes.
I guess that you are thinking of Steve Jobs. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, I guessed right. Do you want to play again?
Good video is one thing, but something that matters equally is good audio. Thanks to dual 2-inch speakers that output a maximum of 10 watts, you can be sure to enjoy great quality audio while watching content on the screen, or you can also kick back and relax by listening to your favorite tunes thanks to a large library on Amazon Prime Music or other services such as Apple Music, JioSaavn, Gaana, etc. Since the Echo Show 8 features Bluetooth, you can also use the Echo Show 8 to stream music onto the device and enjoy better audio than what's available on your smartphone. You can even connect external speakers to the Echo Show 8 in case you want.
The station, Bollywood Retro Romance, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, how many kilometers from Bangalore to Hyderabad?
Bangalore is 470 kilometers from Hyderabad as the crow flies.
Alexa, increase the volume. You can use Alexa to control your smart lights or other compatible appliances and fixtures easily from wherever you are. You can even schedule different automation routines that control these smart devices according to whatever preferences that you give it. You can say, Alexa, turn on the bedroom light, and it'll do it for you. It can also turn on your TV if the TV is smart, and in our case, we use Alexa to showcase the feed from our home security camera as well. Alexa, show me the living room camera.
Okay,
Alexa, play top 10 trending videos. My wife is a very skilled cook who's always looking for new recipes and delicious food to make. Whether it's a recipe for cooking, baking, or a cocktail, Alexa has you covered with simple to follow and easy recipes that even a beginner cook like I can follow.
Alexa, open WikiHow.
I have a skill that can help you with that.
Alexa, how to make sambar.
Get in touch with your loved ones using the calling and video calling features on the Echo Show 8, which has a front camera as well as 4 high quality microphones which are used for both Alexa as well as during calls. You also have the benefit of having a physical camera shutter to block the camera, apart from a switch that can also be used to disable the camera and microphone in case you want more privacy. Alexa, call Giri Blogger.
Calling Giri Blogger's Alexa devices.
Hey Giri, how are you?
Yes, isn't it?
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, good. Hope you can hear me clearly.
I can hear you clearly, see you clearly. All good.
Good. This is from the Amazon Echo Show 8. Like we demonstrated, all of these features require you to only use Alexa, the wake word, as well as give a voice command to get the job done. Much easier and faster than manually clicking or navigating through menus and UI to get the job done. Echo Show 8 and the Alexa app is compatible with Android, iOS and Fire OS devices, and Alexa along with Echo Show 8 can really help make your day a whole lot efficient, faster and easier. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you again in the next one.